Airbnb was on the verge of bankruptcy. By analyzing the behavior of users in relation to the ads, they determined the problem, the similarity of the images. Users didn't book rooms because they didn't know where they were going to live. They didn't know what they were paying. They came up with a solution: travel to New York, rent a camera, and spend time with the customers to take good pictures. This creative solution was born out of design thinking. One of the founders thought about design thinking and the importance of putting yourself in the customer's shoes to find out their needs. By following the rules of design thinking, emphasize, define, design, prototype, and test, they managed to give another approach to the company and solve the problem they couldn't solve for months. Getting to know the customers in the real world as well as contacting them, emphasizing, was the best solution. It's one of the most widely used forms of transport in the world. One of the main reasons for the success of this app is the design thinking approach. Putting itself in the customer's shoes allowed the company to define the problem, the need to wait. By analyzing the main problem, Uber managed to develop the user experience, to eliminate inaction. Uber uses animations that entertain and inform users while they wait for the car. The app calculates the arrival time to inform the user of what is happening and to communicate the waiting time. There is no doubt that one of the keys to this company's success lies in the company's use of design thinking in order to improve the user experience. The focus is on the customer. Oral-B Company. The case for children's toothbrushes is that they should be smaller and thinner because children's mouths are smaller. However, through observations, they concluded that children used their fists and held the toothbrushes too high up and hit their faces. Thus, they came up with a new solution to design thicker and softer toothbrushes. Following this strategy, the company had the best-selling children's toothbrush for 18 months. All this was achieved through observation, analyzing how people interact to find out their needs, preferences, and discover how they feel. Now, let's talk about the main part, design thinking, pros and cons for companies that implement this approach. Advantages: reduce time to market, cost savings and high ROI, improves customer retention and loyalty, fostering corporate innovation, and application to the whole company. Let's start with the first one. It reduces time to market. Through the philosophy of design, test, and iterate, rapid breakthroughs are produced by prototyping and encouraging feedback before investing effort, time, and money into a specific idea. Design and development time is significantly reduced. It focuses on launching prototypes on a frequent basis. By eliminating the cost of bad ideas, the end result is the launch of products backed by more data and with more confidence, which meet user needs.
Created using Powtoon.